channel. Today I'm going to be doing a makeup look for you guys. It's going to be using the Dose of Colors Desi X Katie palette and the Jaclyn Hill Morphe palette in that purpley, mauve, violet, magenta palette, which is so pretty. And I will be doing a full face makeup glam for you guys, and I hope you guys enjoy. Let's get to the video. Okay, let's get started. So I'm gonna start off by putting the Olay. Oh man, look who's here! Hello, come here. You want to be a part of this vlog? Of course you do. You want to help me? What do you want? Do you want the beauty blender? It's wet. Oh, you gonna be a makeup artist when you grow up? Maybe. Oh, thank you. It's clean, guys. I just cleaned it, so it's clean. Don't worry. Okay, so anyway, sorry about that. So we're gonna start off by moisturizing our face. I already did my brows. I didn't want to look too crazy because, like, yeah, and my brows took forever, honestly. Anyways, so we're gonna put on the Ole Henriksen in Banana Bright Eye Cream. So it's like in this. I don't know if you guys can see it. So I'm gonna use my ring finger and just put this under my eyes. Just because I'm gonna put on concealer and I don't want any wrinkles, and I don't want my concealer to dry out my under eyes because these are like priority. Don't mind my eyelash extensions, they're kind of like crazy. I'm gonna get them done this weekend, so don't mind them. I'm gonna put on my whole face. I'm gonna put the Ole Henriksen in the C Rush Brightening Gel Cream. This is super freaking bomb. It smells like orange creme. So put this on all over my face, and this is a really good base to put on before makeup. It does a little bit of brightening here and there, and it just really moisturizes your face. Now, since my moisturizer is on, I am going to put on my MAC Strobe Cream in the pink light. So I'm gonna put that on first, and then I'm gonna put on the Smashbox Original Photo Finish after. So now I'm going to put on my foundation. I have the MAC Studio Sculpt foundation, and then I have my favorite, the Chanel Under Ultra Wear Flawless Foundation. So yeah, I don't know, this is really hard. Yeah, I'm just going to use the MAC one. So I'm going to get my brush. This is the one of the Morphe brushes that I always use for foundation. So I'm just gonna buff it out. I'm gonna take my beauty blender and I'm just gonna get the rest of this, and I'm just gonna pat it all over. Now I'm going to take my Wonder Stick, the NYX Wonder Stick, and I'm going to sculpt my face. And then I'm going to go into concealer in the Fenty Beauty 210. I look great. Now I'm gonna buff everything out. Now I'm gonna, since I'm done like buffing out everything and all my contours in, all my cream contours in, and my concealer, I'm going to set it with the Fenty Pro Filter in the shade Banana. So I'm going to take a Morphe brush, kind of fluffy, and I'm just going to put it under my eyes and everywhere else that I concealed. And then I'm going to take a bigger brush by Real Techniques, and I'm going to put it all over my face. Next, I'm going to take my Laura Mercier setting powder, or translucent powder, and put it all over my face. I didn't put too much of the Fenty one, so I know this is really good, so I'm going to put this one on top just to really set it in. Next, I'm going to take my Anastasia contour kit in the shade light to medium to contour my face. Next, I'm going to put on some blush by Tarte. This is in the shade Party. Next, I'm going to take the Dose of Colors Desi X Katy highlighter in Fuego. Oh, hi again. Oh. We're doing a video and you're here. You want to help me again? Like, I'll have you help me. Okay. No, you can't put it on your face. Alright, so today, you want to show them? Today we're going to do my eye look with the Morphe Jaclyn Hill palette. It's the purple one, okay? So we're going to do it in here. And then we're going to kind of use some of the Dose of Colors Desi X Katy Francation palette. Okay, maybe you shouldn't open it. So the first color I'm going to go into is, well, it's very hard because I have a baby here, but it is the color A Moment, and it's going to go all over my base. So yes, like I said, we're going to go into this color right here. And then I'm going to take the color Necessary right here, starting from the corner of my eye. I'm going to go into the Morphe Jaclyn Hill palette in the shade Hush Hush. Then I'm going to go into the shade Spark, and I'm going to put that at the corner of my eye. And I'm using a smaller Morphe brush as well. Next, I'm going to go into the shade Mystic up here in the same brush. Right in the middle, kind of, just a little bit, and then going back to the corner of my eye. Next, I'm going to go into the shade Rockstar right here in the same small little brush. This is going to go kind of in the corner of my eye. Next, I'm going to go into the shade Hush Hush. Put it on the top. I'm just going to blend it out. I go back into the Dose of Colors Desi X Katy palette in Francation in the color A Moment, or is it called Basic? Oh my god, I've been like saying the wrong colors because it's like backwards. So this color is Basic that I used, and then this color is correct and necessary, but this is basic. This is a moment. This is basic. So I'm gonna go into basic, and I'm just gonna go on the top under my eyebrows and blend everything out. And I'm gonna go into Spark again and put that at the corner of my eye. Then we're gonna go into Hush Hush, and then we're just gonna put it, oh, maybe that's too bright. Oh God, it's fine. There we go. And I'm just gonna buff out everything, make sure everything's blended. After when we're done, we're done. I'm going to take the Stila Smudge Stick Waterproof Eyeliner in the shade Lionfish. This is super bomb, very easy to glide, very easy. It's like freaking like butter. Put this underneath my eyes at the corner. Then I'm gonna take a smudge brush and I'm just gonna smudge this underneath. I'm gonna take this smudge brush again. I'm gonna go into the Jaclyn Hill palette and I'm just gonna use the shade Spark and put it at the corner of my eye and bring it in. I'm gonna go into the shade Pizzazz. I think it's Pizzazz. I'm gonna put it underneath my eye right here. Go back into this color in my Luxie brush. It's kind of like a, I don't know if you guys can see it. This is too bright, but it's kind of flat. So I'm gonna wet my brush. Put it right in the middle. I'm gonna go in the inner corner right here and I'm just gonna blend out the sparkle area. Then I'm gonna go into the Stila again. I'm gonna go do just like a messy eyeliner look on the top of my eyes. Okay, this is semi the final look. I'm just gonna put on my lips. So I'm gonna be using my MAC liner in Nice and Spicy, and then I'm going to be using the Fenty Beauty in Gloss Bomb. First, I'm going to moisturize my lips. And this is the final look. I hope you guys like it. I'm just gonna spray it with some MAC Prep and Prime Fix Plus. And then I'm going to spray it again with the Urban Decay All Nighter Spray. So this is the final look. I hope you guys really like it. It's kind of dark, purpley, magenta in a way. Kind of simple at the same time because I just used two palettes. If you guys don't have that palette, then just utilize a color similar to that palette, or I mean not simpler, similar to that palette, or those two palettes. But other than that, I really hope you guys like this video. Please give it a like, share, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys later. Bye!